Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Remove the bowl from direct heat to stop further damage. You must identify the chocolate type and whether it's seized. Dark tolerates more heat than milk or white. Once done, add a small fat, about 1 teaspoon per 2 ounces of chocolate. This restores fluidity by reintroducing cocoa butter. Stir gently and steadily so you don't trap air. Make sure to scrape the sides and work quickly. The goal is to cool slightly, while blending fat to smooth the mixture. You'll now refine texture and temper. Heat carefully in short bursts over barely simmering water, keeping dark under 46 degrees and milk/white under 40 degrees to avoid reseizing. Continual stirring equalizes temperature. If graininess persists, use a high-speed immersion blender or press through a fine sieve to break clumps. This helps because it disperses cocoa particles and fat. Once fluid, use the seed method. Add 20 to 30% chopped, tempered chocolate and stir. You complete by using the chocolate promptly. Pour into molds or coat items, tapping to remove air bubbles. Make sure to cool at a consistent 18 to 20 degrees room temperature. If gloss is desired, chill briefly for 5 to 10 minutes, then let return to room temperature to prevent bloom. If the chocolate remains grainy, don't waste it. Melt 1/3 fresh chocolate, warm gently and blend to create an emulsion. This forces fats to recoat particles and typically fixes texture. Use immediately after correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.